In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your property to Agoda in 2025. Whether you're listing a quaint bed and breakfast or a luxurious resort, this guide will help you through the entire process so you can make your property available to millions of travelers worldwide. First, let's start by heading over to the Agoda official website. Open your preferred web browser and type in Agoda's URL, which should bring up their homepage. Booking on Agoda offers various perks, including free cancellation and great booking deals across a vast selection of over 2 million hotels. Once you're on the homepage, you'll need to sign into your account to access the listing features. Look for the sign in option on the top right corner of the screen. Agoda makes it simple to sign in by allowing you to use your Google account. This feature not only saves time but also ensures that your account details are secure and synchronized. Now that you've signed in, it's time to navigate back to the Agoda homepage if you aren't already there. The next step involves listing your property, so look for the option that says List Your Place. You'll find this prominently displayed on the homepage. Clicking on this option will guide you to the host management area where you can manage various aspects of your listings. In this host management area, select the Listings option. This will give you access to all the properties you may have previously listed and allow you to manage new ones. Once you're there, you'll see options for managing or adding listings. For our purpose today, focus on the Add a Listing button. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the property listing setup. As you move through the setup process, Agoda will guide you step by step to input essential details about your property. Some of these include the property's address, description, available amenities, photos, and pricing. Make sure you take your time to fill in all the required fields accurately. Clear, enticing photos and comprehensive descriptions can enhance your property's appeal to potential guests. Also, it's a good idea to browse through the pricing strategy options. Agoda provides competitive tools to help you determine rates that could maximize both occupancy and profitability. Once everything is set up and reviewed, submit your listing. Agoda will process the information, and upon approval, your property will be available for booking on their platform. To sum up, listing your property on Agoda requires just a few straightforward steps. By accessing the site, signing in, navigating through the listing options on the homepage, and following Agoda's guided prompts, you make it easy for millions of users to discover and book your unique property. Thanks for watching, and happy hosting.